Hainai 31 Agosto Kaisha Panda Songsana Thami Tonga Dongthok Gudaljar Panda organized by Sinimung Ketal Second Foundation Day.
No only upon a coffee shy play me say Lahapana lama o bera play me say No only upon a coffee shy play me say Lahapana lama o bera play me say
Hello friends, nong boy kaisa khobok mo Hainai salmaria Chris Augusto kaisa charity program sengjagi tongo Dongthok Gudaljar Panda Robindra Bhavan hall number 1 o sarik pastan sini sengjang no jotono phayaro no join khodi samung musamung bebang no tongnayaro so I hope to see you there.
Hey guys, this is Wingley Hangbayani team Borok Gangs and perform play on 31st of this month Sinimung Ketal Dance Boardni second foundation day war Robindra Bhavan no Borok Bhabi there. I'll see you guys there. Till then, take care. Peace out.
Hi, I'm Jyoti Purma. Hi, this is Apniai. Nora sung beba sa parla sa ke ende khedi. Jota khajani takute busung no koyo. Jota khai manja khine bade. Ya asuna.
No only upon a coffee shy play me say Lahapana lama o bera play me say No only upon a coffee shy play me say Lahapana lama o bera play me say
Tiga norok khai nai khedi rom nong hol nong wan tiga tai bukha 5292 tiga oro norok Tripura haste ni samung kereng kata norok la khnari nai borok manja phinai Swingli da Purma Priya da Purma NP Pro Bishana Triyang Thompson da Purma jotolo khai manja khaidi enjoy khine tiga tai kaisa special tongo norok ajai mimicry khainai chini Tripura haste ni kilu Vijaya Tripura norok borokni khorani bai nai norok dike nang tong hanke e number contact khaidi mami